Alright guys, something exciting. We have made it to the Birdcage Theater, which is our big, yes, Birdcage Theater. It's our big finale. What?
This is why I keep moving around.
Oh. This is our big finale of Arizona. In the circle of Arizona. What? Oh, that was a good place. Is that where you're trying to get the pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's close by, and it's probably one of the only things that's still open.
The finale of Arizona begins now.
Save the camera.
So we are going on to our Birdcage Theater tour. This is cool.
Well, I'd say I'd be losing my head a little bit.
Maybe. A mind's a terrible thing to waste.
Private property.
You could say he's ahead up or left behind.
Maybe he just couldn't get ahead in life.
I like that one.
Well, he doesn't have a headache anymore. Alright, anyway, so we can't do the EVP because our EVP is not working and they don't have it there.
Sucks. You didn't bring it.
But
Why didn't you bring it?
we did bring it. The problem is it doesn't, it's
In the
not,
car.
it's not working.
Is it in the car?
Yeah, but it's
Then
not,
take it. Bring it.
it's not working.
Bring it.
Ghost Tours, Birdcage Theater. So this is the Birdcage Theater, in which a few minutes will be going up. And it's the oldest standing building. Oh. What's that? Oh. Is it working?
Sometimes.
There's a visual cemetery that you were just at. You getting anything? Cool. So, see. Hey, I had a question. That like statue in the front here.
Yeah.
Does his eyes move?
Yes.
Okay, because I saw them
The
moving.
hand moves too. There'll be no air, and they will just move.
Like his eyes were like going back and forth.
They'll look him in the eyes.
Huh?
Look him in the eyes. There was one that had just started tours, and that skull he's holding come rolling in here. Talking about everybody wanting to leave. Me first. Me first. All right. Well, that would have been the basket the lady in the picture was carrying. Could you imagine toting that around full of whiskey bottles all day? Did you know Tombstone had a bowling alley in the 1880s? It's where Vogan's Alley is today. Check them out. They only have 2 holes. I don't know how to work one of those. But if you ask my husband, I don't know how to work one with 3 holes either. Go figure. You have your 14 cribs, 7 on each side. Oh, there's the
What's that?
He's lighting up already.
There's like a blue dot. Sometimes it dances around.
They didn't touch it last night at all.
Right now I'm seeing it right on the right side.
And the puppy has to be touched. So
Yeah.
yeah. You got it? Have you seen one of those?
See that?
Oh, well, sorry. I was,
Have you ever seen the
yeah.
robot?
it's very
You
good.
have a better camera than me.
Go to Spirit Shack.
It's gone. Oh, wait,
But
it's
I
there
did a
again.
paranormal where they got
Right in front of her face. See?
and they had this robot, and it goes to motion.
Yeah.
So-
See right there? It's the bottom. See that?
I got one on her side.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He has it too on his camera.
It was pretty cool. I'm gonna get the
They do stay on me.
They do.
I see it, and so does he on his camera.
Really?
Yeah.
They stay with check behind me, dear.
Yeah, now it's on her thing. Nope, there it is. See it? It's dancing around.
Oh, I see it.
It's on the right side.
They stay behind me, so she's picture there and lights up. Just don't say
Do you
it's
see it on yours?
I think it's
Oh, yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
there's a girl named Amber that follows me. So they do, I told her.
Can I ask Amber a question?
Huh?
Can I ask Amber a question?
Yeah.
Amber, are you friendly? If you're,
Upstairs with her.
sorry, I'm,
So far, everybody's friendly.
I feel that.
They're fun. They're a lot of pranksters, and they're just here for a good time. So, like, we signed that waiver, the behavioral thing, just forget about it. Because the more fun you have with them, the more they interact. Because what they were not here for a funeral, they're just fucking here. He's like, no. Somebody's excited.
Sean, come here. This is like-
oh, sorry.
Now that it's like-
Now you said it, he won't do it.
What was it doing before?
it's lighting up.
You
Really?
want to try to light it up again? Show how you light it up.
It's lighting up.
There you go. Good job. The other
Amber, is that you?
He's catching a figure on the stairs right here.
Who's coming down? Who's coming down? Is it Russian Bill? Other arm too. Good job. Very nice. Thank you.
Is that,
Can you pin it on the head? Can you touch the puppy on the head? Or how about both arms? Can you do both arms?
Oh, I felt like a chill right here. Like
I felt chill right on my legs.
They're fun. They're excited tonight.
I felt real chill right here. Like goosebumps on my arms.
See if you can light up both
Sorry,
arms.
I thought he was down off.
You know, right where you pointed, I see two orbs right now.
Can you touch both paws?
Right here.
Yeah, just above your hand actually.
Somebody wearing
It's kind of
spurs?
going away now, but it was
Somebody wearing
literally
spurs?
right there.
Wearing what?
Spurs?
What is that?
Like the jingling things on the boots?
No.
Me neither. I just heard like bells, and it didn't seem like a spur. Oh, there you go. There's the other one. What about both? Can you do both? Come on, light her both. There you go. Are
It's
they both lighting up or are
really
they flash?
chilled at the side.
That's probably the air on that one. Are both lighting up?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, good job. What about the head? Can you cut the head now? Alright, good job. That is awesome. Yeah, we're showing off now. It's nice. Let's show off. How about touching the head? Can you touch the head for me too? That one's hard. Can you catch your belly and rub your head at the same time? Look at y'all. Very nice. Thank you. Who is it? Is it Joshy?
It's Amber.
Is it Jerome? What about Buddy? It's Buddy? Buddy, is it your turn?
Were you ever at the Weatherford Hotel?
Very nice.
No, there was something. I saw someone at the Weatherford Hotel when I was doing a ghost.
It's Buddy.
You've been to the Weatherford Hotel, buddy? Buddy, have you been to the Weatherford Hotel?
Buddy, you want me to show him your picture? Buddy, it's his turn. Buddy wants me to show you who he is. Buddy's a ham, huh? Buddy, you ready? You gonna light up the meter for me, Tim? Show him it's your turn.
I see something touching it.
Wow, you see something?
Well, I took a picture. I did my husband's tour one night. And I took a picture on this back wall somewhere. And I got this light. I couldn't figure out what it was or where it belonged. So I started blowing it up because, you know, I'm nosy. And I found this guy. Buddy.
Do you not like many people around you?
Here's my friend Buddy.
What?
That's my friend Buddy.
That's a human face.
Mm-hmm. Looks like he's in state too, huh?
Where did you take that picture?
This one's Sniper. But I think that too. He lights up this meter, and he every time I talk about this meter.
Oh, there it goes again.
There's Buddy. Nice little fun.
If you're Buddy, can you stop?
This is somebody too. You can sit down.
If you're Buddy, can you please stop? Holy shit.
And so be careful what you ask for. They will come sit by you. Here's Buddy to know.
Buddy, can you stop?
And then that is somebody.
Buddy, were you shot?
See Buddy number 2? Yes, Buddy, it's you. This is somebody too. I seen him with my own eyes. He came to sit by me one night. There's Buddy. It looks to me like the same guy.
That's still.
Because it's Buddy. Every time I talk about this picture, that thing goes off.
I wonder why mine's not going on.
Buddy, are you sad?
Buddy looks like he's in state. Here's my last Buddy picture.
What?
This is somebody too. He came to sit by me. Hey, watch her. You'll get. I'm trying to take her home.
Well, like, doesn't it feel bad presence?
No, there's not.
Yeah, it doesn't. It feels calming.
It's like
I was over here, and I felt like someone like touched my hand.
there's somebody that hides in that corner.
Huh?
There's somebody that hides in that corner. But like it's. I forgot my spot. I knew there was nobody. I didn't. I think about forget something. Here in this first case, you have Doc Holliday's tooth extracting kit. You have that Masterson's baton. And in the next case, you have possibly the bullet puller tool that was used to pull the bullet from Virgil Earp. Say that 3 times fast. Once is hard enough. But underneath is a bench. They would take those benches and they would line them up for the shows. And if they liked your show, they would shoot up. If they didn't like your show, guess where they shot? At you.
Oh my gosh.
I read in one of the books up front, they shot the bun off the top of the lady's head one night. And one night during the performance of Uncle Tom's Cabin, the scene where the lady gets chased by the rabid dog, one of the cowboys thought she was really in trouble, so he shot the dog. He went to jail, sobered up, traded his horse for the dog, even felt bad. But the dog is still here. Here is also a cat. So if you feel something cold just around your ankles or in your lap, it's probably the cat or the dog or a rowdy cowboy. He'll be here. And if they do, they've been really touchy-feely lately. If they do touch, just say no. And usually they stop. I turned on the lights one night and this lady was in tears and I felt so bad. So just tell them no. Just tell them no. And usually they do stop.
I'm sorry.
This picture is of a little girl. This is one of 2 kids that are here. This is Sarah. They're not exactly sure how Sarah got here. So if you feel somebody tugging on your clothes, it's probably her. But of course some of the servant girls were as young as 12, so she could have been a servant girl. Or maybe her mom worked here. Or maybe she came in with something. That's how the second kid got here. Alright, you can go up front, up top. I was gonna say, oh my gosh. I gotta carry lots of chairs up. The lights out on the stage tonight.
Hmm.